This is fit for a 2013 through 2016 and beyond Honda Accord 4-door sedan with a bare roof. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack 2500 Vortex base roof rack system. This system is using the silver Vortex load bars in 54-inch length, the 2500 legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit DK359. The crossbar spacing from front to rear is 27.5 inches, center to center. The load rating is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Click the information icon at the top of the screen for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.